Richard X. Bove said the US dollar is no longer viable as the global reserve currency shortly following his departure from a distinguished 54-year tenure as a Wall Street analyst. Bove anticipates that China will surpass the US economy in strength. According to Bove, the downfall of the dollar is inevitable as those manufacturing goods abroad are increasingly gaining control over production means, thus asserting more influence over the global economy and consequently over monetary power. It is no secret that China has been trying to establish a currency that may possibly be used by other BRICS Plus nations. Last year, member countries announced that they will be trading using local currencies. However, speculations abound that China will be pushing either their own currency, the Yuan, or create one. They've been buying gold like crazy for several years, along with other BRICS nations. That resulted in some speculation that they may be launching a gold-backed currency. One thing is clear, though, they are making real moves to bypass the dollar. Just last week, the United Arab Emirates and China made a significant move in the global financial landscape by completing a cross-border transaction that strongly challenged the long-standing dominance of the dollar in Asia. This landmark deal, facilitated by the mBridge platform, involves the transfer of $13.6 million between two nations. This transaction represents more than just a financial exchange. It's a digital bridge between continents, marking a significant step towards altering the role of their currencies within the international financial arena. Bove, whose career spans 17 brokerage firms and concluded at the New York investment bank Odeon Capital, has previously mentioned that a potential successor to the US dollar could take various forms, including paper, metal, or digital impulses. Prepare your finances. Admittedly, de-dollarization talk has been going around for a while and nothing has come into fruition. What makes this one different is the actual tangible development happening. Last year marked the lowest point that the US dollar's share has dropped to in global central bank reserves in 25 years. Saudi Arabia already agreed to accept other currencies for its oil, and other oil-producing countries have joined BRICS Plus, all of whom are now trading using their local currencies. Do not take this lightly. Protect your wealth and invest in a hedge. A hedge is an asset that will hold its value while other assets tank. Gold has an inverse relationship with traditional assets like the market and cash. Will you wait for your assets to recover? You can count on gold to hold you up. This crash that is coming will most likely last longer than other crashes, so you may need a considerable amount as a hedge. The best part is if you buy gold from Noble Gold Investments, you will not have a problem with liquidity. They have the best buyback program. If you buy it from them and you are ready to liquidate, they'll buy it back, no questions asked.